Okay, Aquarius, we will see what is your message, okay, sa mga air sign about of your career. Okay, sinasabi dito is your hard work is paying off, your performance is gaining attention in your community. You deserve the rewards you're receiving now. Okay, so this is your message for you for now, Aquarius. Okay, we will see natin sa mga air sign of Aquarius ano pa ang mga mensahe about of you. It's a general reading mga sisiko. Okay, nagkakaroon ng challenge at obstacle itong situations mo, no, Aquarius. So, you will be see and check din yung mga mapagkakatiwalaan nyo sa buhay. Okay, which is nagkakaroon lang din ng obstacle about of you on your life. Okay, pero asahan mo, your hard work is paying off, your performance gaining attention your community. You deserve the rewards you're receiving now. So, iyan talaga yung pinapakita about of your career. So, may mga challenging lang, Aquarius, okay? Which is, you will see and check din kung yung mga mapagkakatiwalaan mo sa paligid mo. Okay, Aquarius? And then, may mga cheating talaga pinaputol of the card for you. Okay? So, ayan, Aquarius. Ayan, dito naman tayo sa mga Libra. Okay, about naman sa mga Libra, we will see natin kung ano ang kanilang mensahe for today about in your career situation. Okay, we will see Libra. What is your message for today of you about on your career? Okay, para sa mga Libra air sign, it's time to express yourself through design and art using your talent, creativity, your finances, success in your career. So, ayan, no, ang sinasabi about of you. O baka may mga style ka, fashion, etc. So, yan ang pinapakita from you, mga Libra ko. Okay, we will see natin ano pa ba yung mga mensahe from you. Okay, wait lang, ang daming lumalabas. O, sige, ayan na. Okay. Andyan naman talaga yung success okay, about of you. Yeah. So, which is, siguro may mga delays lang talaga. May mga challenge din talaga na nag-aabang from you na pwede naman conclusion. Pagdating sa iyong career po, pwede kasi sa current mo is pwedeng may paglilipat, no? Kasi it's time to express yourself through design and art, using your talent kung may mga talent ka, skill, etc. So, baka kailangan mo ng i-grab, no? Kasi malay mo diyan ka talaga maging success. Okay, kaya siguro may mga challenge na dumadaan sa'yo kasi baka hindi naaayon talaga or talagang ang universe ay idadala ka sa iyong pathway talaga. Kung ano talaga yung kung ano talaga yung naaayon sa'yo about of your career situations here. Which is, may mga nagiging hadlang pa sa situation mo, nagkakaroon ng mga challenging, nagkakaroon pa ng mga conflict situation, mga hindi rin pagkakaunawan pagdating pa dito. So, you will be talaga Libra. Kasi, baka hindi talaga naaayon para sa iyo yung kasalukuyang career. Kaya, more on challenge talaga yung kinakaharap mo. Kasi dinadala ka ng universe sa tamang pathway na dapat ay sa'yo. Okay? So, this is it, Libra. This is your message from you about of your career. Kasi andyan naman yung success makakarating talaga. Okay? More of success and abundance here. Okay, para naman sa mga Gemini, tignan natin kung ano ang iyong mensahe from you for today, Gemini. Okay, para sa mga air sign. Okay, we will see Gemini. Okay, taking chances. Okay, it's time for a leap of faith in this situation. Be more courageous in dealing with your finances. It may be uncertain dito. Okay. Victory and success ang nakikita ko. Okay. May mga struggle ka lang talaga pagdating sa iyong career situations here. Oo. Faith in this situation. So, be more, be courageous, sabi nga, in dealing with your finances. Kung sino man din itong nakakadiling person mo, mag-ingat ka kasi baka nga magkaroon ng struggle. Lalo na't may babaeng pinapakita about in this card of your, basta in your finances So, be courageous ka. Okay, kung sino man itong kadiling mo, pinagkakatiwalaan mo. Okay, which is follow your intuition, mga Gemini. So, ayan, kaya medyo magkakaroon ng struggle. So, be aware, baka magkakos ng kabiguan from you ito. Okay, by the bottom of the card, pinapakita about of you. And then, ayan na nga, which is victory and success. We are here already from you. So, be aware ka lang talaga sa mga nakakadiling person mo, lalo na pagdating sa finances, sa usaping pamalaan. Okay, Gemini, so this is it. Thank you.